What's the meaning of bauxite? Bauxite. Bauxite.
Bauxite. Bauxite. Bauxite is a type of sedimentary rock that is primarily made up of aluminum oxide minerals, including gibbsite, baymite, and geospore. It is commonly reddish-brown in color and has a pisolytic structure, meaning it is made up of small, rounded grains. Bauxite is the primary ore used to produce aluminum metal through the Bayer process. The bauxite mining industry is important economically as it provides jobs for many people and generates revenue for countries where it is found. However, it can also have negative environmental impacts such as deforestation, soil erosion and water pollution if not managed sustainably.